Hi everybody, Expert4x here from Expert4x, and in today's video I want to show you the Expert4x YouTube channel and how you can get the best value out of that channel. Now on your screen you can see that we have produced a huge amount of YouTube videos. We've produced over 1,500 videos. We've deleted a whole lot that have become irrelevant. We've been on YouTube well over 10 years, and therefore we have created quite a collection of videos that help you with your trading. And some of the topics are shown on your screen right now. There's training videos, there's finding settings, Expert4x robots, so there's videos for every single robot that we produce. There's optimization and testing videos, there's free courses, there's an MT4 trading platform course, there's beginners videos, there's webinar recordings, $1 million trading where we've traded to $1 million, free indicators and tools, trading strategies, and robot trading. And I always feel that people are not taking full advantage of all the information and tools on this particular channel. So the first question is, how do you find the channel? And that's quite easy. You can use this link that's shown on your screen. A clickable version of this link will be in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary of the video. So it's quite easy to find. And once you've used that link, you'll come to this page, which is the Expert4x YouTube channel page. And it shows all the videos that are available, the playlist, and so on. And those are the areas that I want to focus on today. If you are interested in the videos, if you scroll just a little bit down, so you can scroll through this first section to see the latest videos that have been produced, because sometimes you go out of date and you can then catch up very quickly to see the latest ones. But the most important area that I feel are the playlists. So let's go and have a look at the playlist. I'm going to click on that. So I have over 100 playlists. And the playlist covers all those topics I've already mentioned, plus a whole lot more. And there are many ways of using this particular page. The one way is to just scroll through it and see what there is. And that is, in fact, the best way. And what you would do there is you just say, okay, there we go. There's videos about the daily pivot. There's how to. There's profit retriever, a lot of videos on that, trading tools and services, and so on and so on. There's proprietary trading. So there's playlist for almost any topic you can think about. And as we go down, you'll see a lot of the actual Expert4x products are covered. So if you've bought a product, you can go to that playlist and learn all about that product and what's been said about it. And there's a whole lot of other very important, there's beginner courses, quite important. If you're a total beginner, go and do that. There's some free channel trading courses, and so on and so on. So as I scroll down, you'll see a lot of topics. Now that's the best way to actually find things, because you're going to bump into things that you never realized that you were looking for. So the other way of doing that is to go use the search facility. So what you would do is you would go up here, you click on the search facility, and you type in what you're looking for. And let's say I'm looking for the profit retriever. So we go, just type in profit retriever and then search, and you'll get a list of all the videos covering the profit retriever. And there you can see the first one. Well, this would be the only robot that I would ever trade video, and you can go on, and there's videos about the settings that you can use and the strategies that you can use when using the profit retriever. And there's lots of videos. I'll just scroll down quickly and show you. There are many videos, and I think this is a great opportunity to let our clients know that these playlists are available and that they can use them to gain more experience about the actual products that they have purchased. Then of course, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, there's an opportunity to subscribe to the channel. But I thoroughly recommend that you go and visit the channel page, have a look at some of the videos that are available, have a look at the playlists that are available, and it might solve a lot of your trading questions that you might have, or it might fill in the gaps of Expert4x robots that you have purchased but have not seen the videos about how to use them most efficiently. So from me, Alex Exploy, cheerio.